This is how to play Noyana. I'm gonna start first by playing it to you guys using the key of C sharp. Right? So our song is quite easy. Let me just play it to you. So it starts right here. It says Noyana, 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 right? It's quite easy. So it starts right here on the chord of G sharp major, which is this chord, right? You can use the major one, or you can use the second inversion, which is this one, right? In other words, you can start with this one, or you can start with this one. This one is called the major, G sharp major, and then this one is called G sharp major second inversion, right? So our song starts here. Noyana. From here, it goes to this one. Please pause the video and watch the chords closely. And then it goes back to the first one again. And then again back to the second one. Right? So on our left, you're gonna say no, yeah, we're gonna say 5, Noyana. And then we're gonna go to 1. Noyana. Again, the same thing. Noyana. Noyana. Right? We are done with the first part. So we're gonna go to the second part. On the second part, you're gonna start right here on this chord, which is the chord of C sharp major. Right? It comes to C sharp major, and then it's gonna go to first inversion, which is this one. Right? Right, from this one, you come to this one. Right? C sharp, second inversion. From here, you come here. From here, you come here. From here, you come here. Right? It's gonna be na 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 na. From here, you come back to this one. Ba, ba, right? This one, and then you come here. Na, phezulu, and then you come here. And then you come to C sharp first inversion. C sharp major first inversion, right? So I'm going to introduce the bass. When you say on the left, you're going to say, let me start from the beginning. Again. Noyana. Noyana. Repeat the same thing. Noyana. Noyana. And then you're going to say, da, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? I hope you understand. It's going to be na, 1. Right? When you hit this this chord right here, you start counting 1. Right? From C sharp on your left. You want to say ba, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then ba, 5. And then you close the song. For the last time, ni, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? When you hit number 3, you change on your right? You say 1, 2, and then you change 3, and then you change again. You stay there until you say ba, you change ba, 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 ba. It's quite easy. Let me play the whole thing, right? Noyana. So I said you can start with this one, or you can start with this one, right? Let me start. Noyana. 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 This is how I personally play it. I say, right? And then I start. Ra pa 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 pa, Noyana, Noyana, Noyana,